with a new video. As I promised in the last video that I'm gonna bring the next video on speeding trending event. So here it is. We are just diving into this video, and this video is all about the event which is on 1st of September at HUMBER College. There is very important information for all the cosmetic students. If you guys are new to my channel, go check my channel, subscribe, like and share this video. So let's dive into our video. About the event was so good. I was being able to meet a lot of new friends, and I was being able to communicate with everyone. That was so good, and that was just enhancing my confidence, because I was so scared that how I'm gonna be like comfortable with everyone when I go to my college. So these events just help us out to just be comfortable with the environment of the college. And I shared a lot of facts about myself to the people out there. And so beyond this event, one of the great thing was that we all were being able to meet our classmates as well, and our program coordinator and few of our professors are going to give us some lecture about the program and just give the little description about it. As I was being able to meet my classmates and my professors, one most important thing which excites me is that we are being able to get our kit on 15th of September, and they just tell us about little details that what things are into your kit and what are the things that you are gonna buy it, and they just tell us about a uniform code that is black scrubs. And they also tell us about a clean touch certificate, which is really very important for all the cosmetic students. So this clean touch certificate term can be used in various contexts, but in this industrial field it is mainly used to describe that the students under these programs are having the training related to cleanliness, sanitization and hygienic practices. And one of the biggest benefit to all the students of cosmetic management program is that all of our professional tools and all of the professional palettes are from a very famous cosmetic brand, which is MAC. And one of the biggest benefit to all the students in cosmetic management is that they are going to get 40% off on all the MAC products. And they have to log in through their student ID, and they can enjoy the benefits. Before I wrap up all the things, I want to thank you people to stay tuned to this video and show your love towards me. If you like my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I would love to read your reviews in my comment section below, and share this video with your family and friends. Let's spread the love and knowledge with everyone. Bye bye.